We're going to Vietnam. Jeff is there. Oh, there. He's lasing. Nag-inom sila ng mga friendship niya till 2 a.m. this morning. Tapos diretso sa airport, hinatid kami. But like, we're here. You're eating, what's that?
Potato fries.
Can you show your baby Poco? How about you, Ian? We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Good mom, here we come.
Jet laggers. We're in Vietnam. We're gonna shop till we drop. We're roaming around Hanoi, everyone. Ha?
Hotel.
Pwede rin, gusto mo? Yun na lang?
Tayo sa sinerge mo.
Yun na lang.
Ito yung kape kong binibili, oh.
Salawa! Sa Canada na. So many
3 weeks daw yun,
bags.
eh.
Yan?
Oh.
Parang masarap dito ba yun? Daming tao. Try natin.
Maglakad-lakad muna tayo.
Lakad-lakad. Ian is here. Here at Family Pose.
Picture?
Hindi, video.
See it. Dapat na it's so cute.
First fall. Vietnam.
What's fall?
This is fall.
Yan, Popa. White noodles.
Walking around the streets of Vietnam. Street na may konting motor. Look how that's a lot, bro. Daming motor. Daanan na may konting motor. Baka binibenta yan. Tingnan nyo naman, meron pa sa kabila, meron pa dito. Oh my God! Guys, muna tayo sa isa sa mga historic place nila, which is yung prison. Mag-walk-in lang kami, pero on the way na kami there. Look at the background. It's so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I can't wait to see it. souvenirs from the shirt. Let's go. Cathedral. Cathedral yan, guys.
We will go back to the hotel now. But remember what?
We're at Hoan Kim Lake. Wait a minute, Ian. That's the lake. So peaceful. Tapos ayun yung Note Coffee na sikat dito. The Note Coffee. Puro notes. Pero ang daming tao, ayoko mamila. Ba't ayan yun? Look how pretty Vietnamese! Guys! Well, we request this. To ride a tourist bus. So now we're here.
Can I borrow? Bro, there's a mini.
That?
Nobody look at her. Wait, how did you do that?
Just for nothing. So pretty.
Are you falling? How did you do that?
It's so huge. Like, so huge. You guys, ang dami nila. Ang daming motor. Ang daming motor. Tignan nyo sa likod. Ang dami rin. Ah!
Drop your phone. I'm never getting it back.
We're eating again Vietnamese pho. Authentic Vietnamese. So tasty. Guys, dito kami sa lote. Look, ang dami tao. Super dami. Oh my God. Good morning. Okay guys, we're done with our Vietnam trip.
Mommy,
We're at the airport to
I'm
go
gonna
to
buy
Singapore.
something.
No. See ya. Papush.